Hey guys, so welcome back to Guidezen, and today we learn how we can remove and unlink Facebook from your Instagram account. It's very simple and quite easy, but you need to go first of all do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. And then you need to open your Instagram account, Instagram app. Then after opening your Instagram account, just tap on your profile. Then click on top right corner three bars. After tapping there, you need to click on account center, and here we want to remove our Facebook account, and also you can say we want to unlink Facebook from Instagram. You can see here Facebook is linked with my Instagram account, but we want to remove that. From here you cannot remove it, but to remove your Facebook from Instagram you need to go a little back. Then you need to click on manage accounts. After coming here, you want to remove Facebook, then just click on manage, and here need to click on move out of this account center, and here you need to continue to move. Then you need to click on continue, and here just you need to yes finish moving. Just following these simple steps you can easily unlink, remove or delete Facebook from your Instagram account center. It's very simple and quite easy. I hope so this short video is helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Goodbye.